I can do for you. Imagine me looking at Trixie all the time and everything, the way she eats, the way it annoys me. What does that have to do with me? Her teeth annoy me. I'm not even lie to you. I don't like how they all like that, and I'm a very organized person. I'm like, could you not have done something that it's not good for you? Am I in her business? Because I can't stand her. I'm just going to be honest with you. And I see inside of my, I just can't stand it. That's just me. What?
People are laughing, but I don't want to laugh. Yeah,
you understand? But it has nothing to do with me. I don't like even the way her period smelled. I was like, oh my God, could you not get a bottle and get, because the blood is literally spoiling as it hits the pad and oxidizing outside of your body. But I flush my tampons, right? The tampons I have, they enter and then they turn into like cotton wool. And then they flush them. In the bins, I could smell period blood going bad. Why are you not removing it? That shit should be going daily. Triple bag it.